बनना तो या कौन खोल रहा है पॉकेट में हो गया।
Hello student, good morning. Today we discuss exercise 2.3 reminder theorem. Reminder theorem. Reminder theorem used for finding remainder without actual division. बिना डिवीजन के, किसी भी डिवीजन के किए बिना हमें क्या निकाल सकते हैं, हम रिमाइंडर उसका निकाल सकते हैं किसी भी पोलिनोमियल का विदाउट एक्चुअल डिवीजन वी कैन फाइंड आउट द रिमाइंडर. इट्स कॉल्ड द रिमाइंडर थ्योरम. रिमाइंडर थ्योरम जब आप डिवाइड करते थे तब आप लोगों ने पढ़ा है डिवाइड एंड डिवीजर, क्वोशिएंट एंड रिमाइंडर. जब हम क्वोशिएंट और डिवीजर को मल्टीप्लाई करते हैं, रिमाइंडर प्लस करते हैं तो हमारे पास डिवाइडेंड आता है. सिमिलर वैसा ही है. कुछ डिफरेंस है रिमाइंडर थ्योरम में जो कि आपको कैसे फाइंड आउट करना है वो देखो. आपको कुछ पॉलिनोमियल दिया है एक्स स्क्वायर प्लस 2x माइनस 1 डिवाइड बाय x माइनस 1. Without actual division, using remainder theorem, find out the remainder. So in this process, what are you doing? Put this divisor x minus 1 is equal to 0. First process, let this is a zero polynomial. So find the value x is equal to 1. Now this value put in this polynomial 1. So 1 square plus 2 minus 1. 1 plus 2 minus 1, 3 minus 1, 2. Again repeat, remainder theorem used for finding remainder without actual division. In this process, first we put the divisor is equal to 0. Then find the value of x, put this value in dividend, then we get the remainder. Here is remainder is 2. Take one more example for this remainder theorem. For example, x की power 5 plus 2x square minus 3 divide by x minus 5. So this one is dividend and this one is divisor. So this value put is equal to 0. So finding value x 5, x is equal to 5. Put this value in this polynomial 5, 5, 2, 5 minus 3. Now solve this complete form and get the remainder. Okay, this is your remainder theorem. This method used in this exercise. Understand? Raise your hands if you understand. If you understand, raise your hands. Everyone understand? Okay. Now we start the exercise 2.3, question number 1. Question number 1. Find the remainder when x cube ये polynomial आपको given है x cube plus 3x square plus 3x plus 1 is divided by x plus 1. divided by x plus 1. First part है x plus 1. Find the remainder. Find the remainder. So using remainder theorem here, two students already done this question. Okay, another student, please concentrate on the board. X plus 1, this one is divisor. इसे हमें डिवाइड करना है इससे, तो इसको हम पहले क्या करेंगे, जीरो के इक्वल पुट करेंगे. लेट कर लिया. x इज इक्वल टू -1. x इज इक्वल टू -1. Now this value put in this polynomial. -1 cube plus 3 -1 square plus 3 -1 plus 1. Complete value of -1 put on the place of x. Now solve it. -1, 3, -3 plus 1. 3 out, cancel out, because plus and minus, this one is cancel out. Answer is 0. Remainder is 0. Okay, understand? Okay. Now second part, everyone do in your rough notebook fastly. X minus 1 upon 2. Similarly divide this value, x minus 1 upon 2. Find out the remainder. Find out the remainder. Priyanshi, Palak and Daksh Punya already done this question. Any other students? Shalini, Vipin, Bindu, Muskan. Okay, Goras. So please check if you done, your answer is correct or wrong. X minus 1 upon 2, put the value 0, x is equal to 1 upon 2. Now this value put in this polynomial, because इसे हमें divide करना है. 1 upon 2 cube plus 3, 1 upon 2 square, 1 upon 2 square plus 3, 1 upon 2 plus 1. Now solve. Cube 1 upon 8, 3 upon 4, because 1 upon 2 का स्क्वायर 1 upon 4 होता है. जब हमने मल्टीप्लाई किया 3 को, 3 upon 4 plus 3 upon 2 plus 1. Now take LCM, because it's a rational number. So take LCM. 8 LCM. Okay. 1, 4 to the 8, 3 to the 6, 2 4 the 8, 4 to the 12 plus 8. So answer is 27 upon 8. How many students get this answer? 1 2 3 4 5 6. Okay. Now part C, part third, question number 1. X, only x given. In third part, only x is given. So what are you doing in this question? Some students think which value will be put here. So already I tell, first put 0. This value put equal to 0. It means you are not transferring the any value. So x, put 0 on the place of x. So 0 cube, 3 0 square plus 3 0 plus 1. It means put the zeros. 0 plus 0 plus 0 plus 1. What is the answer? 1. 1 answer is correct. How many students get? Okay. Now question number first, part 4. X plus pi. X plus pi. Solve it fastly. यहाँ पे कंफ्यूज मत होना कि यहाँ पे पाई आया है, कुछ वैल्यू नहीं है, तो पाई को पाई आप रहने देना, इसको कोई वैल्यू पुट करने की जरूरत नहीं है। अगर आप लोगों को पता है कि पाई की वैल्यू क्या होती है, तो हियर पाई को पाई रहने देना। पहले इसको हम 0 के इक्वल पुट करेंगे, x प्लस पाई इज इक्वल टू 0, x इज इक्वल टू माइनस पाई। Okay, now this value put in this polynomial minus pi cube plus 3 minus pi square plus 3 pi plus 1. Solve it if cube, so minus pi cube, 3 pi square, 3 pi plus 1. This is your answer. Sorry, here minus pi, so minus 3 pi. How many students get this answer? Very good. Honestly raise your hands. How many students understand this topic? How many students? Honestly raise your hands. Okay, almost all students understand this topic. Very good. Now question number 5, part 5. Five plus 2x. 5 plus 2x. Five plus 2x. First, put this value is equal to 0. Now transfer 5 because we find out value of x. Because only 5 transfer first, minus 5, because we find out only value of x. X is equal to minus 5 upon 2. X is equal to minus 5 upon 2. Now this value put in this polynomial, minus 5 upon 2 cube plus 3 minus 5 upon 2 square plus 3 minus 5 upon 2 plus 1. Solve. Cube minus 125 upon 8. Here 3 solve square minus 25 upon 4. When multiply both the values, minus 15 upon 2 plus 1. Minus 1258 minus 75, because minus 75 minus 15 upon 2 plus 1. Solve it complete. After taking LCM, LCM is 8. LCM is 8. Minus 125 minus, sorry, plus 150. Now minus 60 plus 8. Solve it. Minus values first, then 158, both the value, solve 158 minus 185 divided by 8 minus 27 upon 8 is your answer. How many students get minus 27 upon 8? Okay. Now, question number 2 of exercise 2.3. Find the remainder. Question number 2. Find the remainder. Find the remainder x cube minus ax square plus 6x minus a is divided by x minus a. Find the remainder. Find the remainder when x cube minus ax square plus 6x minus a is divided by x minus a. Is divided by x minus a. सेम क्वेश्चन है जैसा आप लोगों ने फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन किया था, वैसा ही है, बस इसको स्टेटमेंट के लिए स्टेटमेंट में लिखा हुआ है, इससे डिवाइड करना है इस पोलिनोमियल को और रिमाइंडर निकालना है। तो पहले हम क्या करेंगे, इस वैल्यू को 0 के इक्वल पुट करेंगे, तो x माइनस ए इज इक्वल टू 0, x माइनस ए इज इक्वल टू 0, देन x इज इक्वल टू a, then x is equal to a. Now this value put in this polynomial for finding remainder. अब इस वैल्यू को इस में पुट करो जिससे हमारे को हमारा रिमाइंडर मिल जाएगा. Now put a cube minus a square plus 6a minus a cube minus both multiplying a cube plus 6a minus a cube cancel because plus and minus cancel out, 6a minus a 5a. Your answer is 5a. How many students get 5a? Okay. Now question number 3, exercise 2.3. Check whether 7 plus 3x is a factor of 3x cube plus 7x. Question number 3. Check whether 7 plus 3x is a factor of 3x cube plus 7x. How can you check it is a factor or not factor of this polynomial? If finding remainder using remainder theorem, if remainder is 0, then it is a factor. If remainder is not 0, then it is not a factor of this polynomial. Again repeat, how can we check it is a factor or not factor of this number, of this polynomial? So first find out the remainder. If remainder is 0, then it is a factor. If remainder is not 0, then it is not a factor of this polynomial. Now divide by this. So put this value is equal to 0. Put this value is equal to 0. Now find value of x. 7 transfer minus 7, x is equal to minus 7 upon 3. Now value of x is minus 7 upon 3. Now put value in this polynomial, minus 7 upon 3 cube plus 7. Okay. Now solve cube. So answer is minus 343 upon 9, 27 plus minus 49 upon 3. 3 1s are 3, 3 9s are 27 So minus 343 upon 9 minus 49 upon 3. Take LCM and solve this rational this expression. Now LCM is 9 minus 343 minus 147, sorry, multiplying 147. So answer is minus 499 upon 9. But we find not 0 here. So it means it is not a factor of this question. Not equal to 0. Not equal to 0, hence it is not a factor for 3x square plus 7x. Understand? Okay, everyone understand this question? Now exercise 2.3 completed. Now we start today new topic, factorization of polynomial. Factorization of polynomial. Factorization of polynomials. Factorization of polynomials. अभी हमने लास्ट क्वेश्चन जो सोल्व किया था, एक्सरसाइज 2.3 में, वो यही था कि चेक द इट इज ए फैक्टर और नॉट फैक्टर ऑफ पोलिनोमियल. अब यहां पर हमें वही चीज रिपीट हो रही है कि हमें चेक करने, कुछ क्वेश्चंस ऐसे आएंगे कि हमें चेक करना होगा कि वो जो गिवन है वो उसका फैक्टर है या नहीं. सो चेक करने के लिए जो प्रोसेस हमने लास्ट क्वेश्चन में सोल्व करी थी, वही प्रोसेस यहाँ पर भी अप्लाई होगी. कैसे? वही आपको रिमाइंडर थ्योरम का यूज करना है. रिमाइंडर थ्योरम यूज करने के बाद अगर आपका 0 आ जाता है, अगर आपकी वैल्यू 0 आ जाती है, तब तो वो उसका फैक्टर होगा. अगर 0 नहीं आता है तो वो उसका फैक्टर नहीं होगा. इट इज नॉट ए फैक्टर ऑफ द गिवन पॉलिनोमियल. अंडरस्टैंड? फैक्टराइजेशन ऑफ पॉलिनोमियल. यहाँ पर आपके पास ऐसे क्वेश्चंस हैं 2.4 एक्सरसाइज में कि आपको फाइंड करना है कि इट इज ए फैक्टर और नॉट फैक्टर. So in this situation, first using the remainder theorem and find the remainder. If remainder is 0, then it means it is a factor of given polynomial. If not 0, so it is not a factor of given polynomial. So start exercise 2.4 right now. Determine which of the following polynomial has x plus 1 as a factor. Question number 1. Determine which of the following polynomial has x plus 1 as a factor. Determine which of the following polynomial has x plus 1 as a factor. first polynomial given here, x cube plus x square plus x plus 1. Second given here, x4 x cube x square plus x plus 1. 3 and fourth. After that, listen, two subpart given. What saying? Find, determine which of the following polynomial, जो नीचे जो polynomial दिए गए हैं उनमें से ये जो x plus 1 है किसका फैक्टर है, किसका फैक्टर है। मैंने कहा था कि फैक्टर अगर आपको निकालना है, फैक्टर निकालने के लिए आपको रिमाइंडर थ्योरम का यूज करना पड़ेगा, रिमाइंडर थ्योरम का यूज करना होगा। कैसे करोगे वो देखो, x plus 1 है, x plus 1 is equal to 0, x plus 1 is equal to 0. Find the value of x, x is equal to minus 1, x is equal to minus 1. Now this value put on this polynomial, minus 1 cube minus 1 square minus 1 plus 1. Solve it, minus 1 plus 1 minus 1 plus 1. This one is cancel out all. So answer is 0. If remainder is 0, then we can say that it is a factor of this polynomial. Now x plus 1 is factor of x cube plus x square x plus 1. Okay, now do question number 1 part 2. Start. Everyone start. After that I tell answer, then you check your answer is correct or not correct. Do fast. Palak, Salini and Muskan already done. Priyansi and Vipin. Very good. Gauraj, Tanisha and Daksh Punia. The page already done. So its answer is not a factor. ये इसका फैक्टर नहीं होगा, इसकी रिमाइंडर 0 नहीं आएगा। जब यहाँ पर आप -1 पुट करोगे तो इसका रिमाइंडर आपको 0 नहीं मिलेगा, तो इट इज नॉट ए फैक्टर ऑफ दिस पॉलिनोमियल। नाउ पार्ट थर्ड, you do yourself in your home. Now discuss part 4 because having root values. So part 4, x cube minus x square minus 2 plus root 2 x plus root 2. Find the it is a factor or not factor. So x plus 1 is equal to 0, x is equal to -1. Put this value in this polynomial, -1 cube -1 square minus 2 plus root 2 -1 plus root 2. -1 here minus multiplying -2 minus root 2 plus root 2. Okay, now -1 solving plus 2 minus root 2 plus root 2. Now minus root 2 plus root 2 cancel because one is minus and one is positive. Now -1 minus 2 plus 2 cancel, 0. Remainder is 0, hence it is a factor of this polynomial. Okay, understand? Sorry, mistake here. -1 minus 2 minus -1 plus 2. Check it. I think it is not a factor. Here mistake. Plus root 2, not minus root 2. Minus and minus. minus and minus plus root 2 plus root 2. This one is cancel out, but this one is not cancel out 2 root 2. It's not equal to 0. That's why it's a not factor of this polynomial. Understand? Now question number 2. Use the factor theorem to determine whether gx is a factor of px in each of the following case. Use the factor theorem, a reminder theorem. This is a factor of in the following case. Question number 2, part first. Px is equal to 2x cube plus x square minus 2x minus 1 gx is equal to x plus 1. Find that this is a factor or not factor. Same procedure we use here. First gx put equal to 0. Now let gx is equal to 0. X plus 1 is equal to 0. Now finding the value x is equal to minus 1. Now minus 1 put in the px. So p minus 1. If value put x in this polynomial, then on the place of x, so it means p minus 1. Now put 2 minus 1 cube plus minus 1 square minus 2 minus 1 and minus 1. Now solve. 2 minus 1 plus 1 plus 2 minus 1. This one is minus 2 plus 1 plus 2 minus 1. 2 and 2 cancel out, 1 and 1 cancel out. Answer is 0. Hence, it is a factor of this polynomial. Hence, this is a factor of this polynomial. Understand? How many students understand this question? Fastly raise your hands. Okay, part 2. You do yourself fastly. Question number 2, part 2, solve in your rough notebook. X cube plus 3x square 3x plus 1 gx is equal to x plus 2. Solve fastly everyone. Tomorrow class is very important class for you. Already I tell, because 10th related topic we can study on tomorrow. Divide of polynomial, division of polynomials. It's a very important topic for tomorrow class. If anyone absent today in this online class, so you can tell your friends tomorrow class is very useful for you for 10th basis, because we study on tomorrow division of polynomials. Same topic you study in your 10th class. So please not miss on tomorrow class. So if you want to help your friends, so you can tell. They can take tomorrow class because we study divisions of polynomial. So 10th basis topic on tomorrow. So please not miss tomorrow online class. Now this concentrate on this question. Put gx is equal to x plus is equal to 0, x plus 2 is equal to 0, x is equal to minus 2. Now p minus 2, this value put in this equation in this polynomial, minus 2 cube plus 3 minus 2 square plus 3 minus 2 plus 1. Values put on the place of x. Now solve this equation. Minus 8, 3 into 4, minus 6 plus 1. Minus 8 plus 12 minus 6 plus 1. Solve entire integer part. Minus 14 plus 13. Then my answer is minus 1. So it is not a factor of this polynomial. It is not a factor of this polynomial because we not get the remainder is 0. Understand? How many get this correct answer? How many students get this correct answer? Abhishek, Dipesh and Tanisha. Please concentrate and do much more questions yourself. Then you automatically clear all the doubts. So I request all of you, please solve in your rough notebook. Then I tell. Okay. Understand? Now, question number 3, part 3, you do yourself in your home. This is your homework. Now, question number 3. Very important question. Question number 3 is a very, very important questions for examination, for your further examinations. Question number 3, very, very important. Question number 3 is very, very important. Exercise 2.4. Question number 3, part A. Find the value of k if x minus 1 is a factor. आपको क्या बोला है कि x minus 1 उस वैल्यू का क्या है, ऑलरेडी फैक्टर है. ये हमें चेक नहीं करना कि वो फैक्टर है या नहीं, वो ऑलरेडी ये जो वैल्यू है उसकी फैक्टर है. हमें पॉलिनोमियल जो गिवन है वो है px इज इक्वल टू एक्स स्क्वायर प्लस एक्स प्लस के. ये पार्ट समझा देता हूं आप लोगों को, बाकी के पार्ट हम कल करेंगे. Concentrate please. This one is factor of this value. This. It means here x minus 1 is equal to 0, x is equal to 1. जब हम x is equal to 1 यहाँ पुट करेंगे तो px क्या आएगा? अगर फैक्टर है तो 0 आएगा px. तो यहाँ पे हम क्या लिखेंगे? It means फैक्टर है तो px is equal to 0. तो 0 पुट किया, यहाँ पे हम पुट करेंगे 1. 1 स्क्वायर 1 प्लस k. ओके. 0 is equal to 1 plus 1 plus k. So 2 plus k. 2 ट्रांसफर कर देंगे तो k is equal to क्या आ जाएगा? -2. k is equal to आ जाएगा -2. अंडरस्टैंड दिस क्वेश्चन? अगेन रिपीट. यहां पे हमें बोला है कि ये जो वैल्यू है इसकी ऑलरेडी फैक्टर है. इसका मतलब फैक्टर है तो px की वैल्यू जो आएगी वो 0 आएगी क्योंकि वो फैक्टर है. यहां से हमने x की वैल्यू निकाली 1, जो यहां पे पुट कर दी. जब पुट किया तो हमारे पास आया 1 प्लस 1 प्लस के, तो 2 प्लस के. जब 2 हमें के की निकालनी थी तो ये 2 इधर ट्रांसफर हो गया तो के इज इक्वल टू क्या आया? -2. इसके जो अगले जो सब पार्ट है आप वो अपने आप करने की ट्राई करना आप लोग. ओके. और कल की क्लास में हम इसको आगे जो सेकंड, थर्ड और फोर्थ पार्ट है वो डिस्कस कर लेंगे. और इसके अलावा जो आप 10th से रिलेटेड टॉपिक है डिवीजन ऑफ पॉलिनोमियल. So don't miss tomorrow class. Thank you very much.